bit of maintenance. Winter riding has taken its toll on my chain. Just looked a bit rusty. That's it clean, so I figured time for a shiny new one. So I managed to do this thankfully without a paddock stand, just by feeding one end of the chain in here. And get your fingers under here, support it, and just gently lift it over the cog, lift it till you get to the little cog, hook onto that, then you sort of just pull it back round. There's the link there, and just make sure the link is going in that direction while the chain's at the bottom. There's a little gap there, so when the chain's at the bottom you want the little gap to the left, so the solid end is going round the way. I got this chain from my Yamaha dealer. Surprised it's not a Yamaha part right enough. Free 5 horsepower sticker, which won't be going on. So I've just got a little cover here to put back on, and then that'll be that part done. There we go, that's the chain cover back on. Lovely new white waxy greased chain. I'm going to try and get some sort of waxy grease for it. Let me know in the comments if anybody can recommend something. Not a spray of any sort, something you can brush on or something, pour on gently. I've added a big power mod today as well. Cheers to Mark from the Basic Bikers. Check them out here on YouTube. Who sent me a sticker and the keyring. It's not a totem pole, folks. It's just the way they went on. They're all great channels. Mounting the bike again. Still no GoPro. I just can't decide between an 8 and a 9. The sun is shining. I'm currently somewhere off the old Greenock Road. And it's pretty glorious. So I've went and done something silly. Well, in some people's eyes. I've went and bought another bike. But this isn't it, obviously. Alright folks, just out for another quick spin. Well, another one yesterday was 3.5 hours. I'll maybe do an hour and a half today. So it's a glorious day again. So I just thought, fuck it, let's go. And also, I'm out on my new bike, just to give it a try. Quick location change. Too many tractors and stuff about there. So she's a beauty. Totally unmodified, apart from this terrible tank pad, which will be coming off very shortly. But she's quite a nice bike. 2 previous owners. There's a couple of little tiny marks here and there, but nothing major. New chain and sprockets. Just serviced, just MOT'd. So stay tuned folks, stay tuned.